The binomial theorem, we start with this idea that each term is the descending A. See how the A is going down, 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 and the B is going up, up, up. But these are called combinations. And a combination is a probability thing. You take A choose B in a combination is A factorial over B factorial over A minus B factorial. A weird thing, but we're going to get there. And then the only thing that you need to know is that, let's say we wanted to find this term here, this third term. Well, let's do an actual example. I'm going to do an actual example. Find the sixth term for x plus 2 to the 10th. Do you want to expand this out to the 10th? No, I don't either. So we're going to do this a quick way. We're going to list the things that can be put into a formula. So the power, this is the power n, 10. A is the first part, and B is the second part. So A is x and B is 2. Now the term is the tricky part because the term is the power of y, and I'm going to just do this real quick. X plus y to the third. So x cubed plus 3x squared y plus 3xy squared plus y cubed. Now, let's say we're looking for the second term. Second term. That's this one. What's the power of y? 1. Let's look at the third term. What's the power of y this time? 2. What will the power of y be on the fourth term? This is important. What's the power of y on the fourth term? 3. So what do you notice about the power of y and the term we're on? It's 1 less, right? So, and the reason because it starts out with 0. 0, 1, 2, 3. Because it starts out with this, the power of y we're going to call j, power of y. And this j value, or k, you can use k, but the j value, let's call it k. The k value, power of y, is the term that we're on minus 1. So, in this example that I had here, the sixth term, we said it's the sixth term. What will the k value be? The power of y is going to be, if the term is 6, what's the power of y k going to be? 5. It's the only tricky part. The only tricky part. Now all we do is use the formula. The formula is n choose k, a to the n minus k, b to the k. Okay. So 10 choose 5, a, which is x to the 10 minus 5, times b, which is 2 to the 5. Now to get 10 choose 5, I would take your calculator out. I'm going to race you, so you can get their calculator out first. I'm beating you. Did you beat me? Oh, I'm going to beat Liam. I'm going to beat Chris. Maybe beat Sam. No, I'm not going to beat Sam. He beat me. Beat ya. All right. So go second quit, and 10 choose 5. So 10 choose 5. 10, and then go math. There's a bunch of columns here. Move to probability. Probability. And see where it says NCR? Oops, hit the wrong one. 10, 3, and 5. So it's 10, choose 5, and that will give you, well, what will it be? I can maybe figure it out. It's 10 factorial over 5 factorial over 5 factorial, which is 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 cancels out over 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 3 times 2 is 6. Let's see. 10 times 8 is 80 over 20 is 4. So 63 times 2 is 126. 252, I think it's going to be. Let's see what it is on the calculator. Boom. Yep. So it works out. So you can use your calculator to do that. So this is 252. X to the 5th times 2 to the 3rd is 8, 2 to the 4th is 16, 2 to the 5th is 32. So you're going to need your calculator again, and you're going to go 252 times 32, and that'll give us 8064. Now what we did is we found the sixth term without expanding it out. Pretty neat. Pretty awesome. Let's try the next one. Find the coefficient for x to the 7th. Okay. So what we would look at here is 2x plus 3 to the 11th. A is this first part. This is A. 2x. What's B going to be? Just 3. Yeah. What's n, or the power? Jacob, what do you think? What's the power n for this example? The power is 11. You're going to do the term minus 1, but this is power is 11, right? So write that down. Now the term is the part that's a little tricky. We have to figure out what it is. So if you took 2x plus 3 11 times, the first thing is going to be x 11th. Would you hold your thumb up like this? X 11th. Then go x down 1, 10, 9, 8, 7. Which term is it? 5th. Yep, one more time. Hold your thumb up. Start with 11, x to the 11th. Then it's going to go down, decreasing x. 10, 9, 8, 7. So the term is the 5th. What's k going to be? K is going to be 4. Power the term minus 1. So here's the formula. N choose k. A to the k, or a to the n minus k, times b to the k. Excuse me. So let's do it. This is 11, choose 4, times a, which is 2a to the 11 minus 4, times b to the, well, b is just, try this again. 2x to the 11 minus 4, and 3 to the 4. So working this out, could you use your calculators for me? What's 11 choose 4? Pardon me? 330. I agree with that. 2 to the 7th, x to the 7th, and 3 to the 4th. So you're going to want to take your calculators. What's 330 times 2 to the 7th times 3 to the 4th? So 330 times 2 to the 5th, 32, 64, 128 times 81. What is all of that equal to? It's going to be big. What's that? 40. 342140, is that right? As there's a 4 at the end? 440? Okay, thank you. So the question was, what is the coefficient? You just say 3,421,440. Wow, you just did that.